We're busy building a windshield for my dad's Argo. It's going to sit in this frame just so then he can not have the wind in the winter smash him in the face, but getting some nice trim on here. Looks good. New glass, going to treat it with the Auto Recon graphene sealant, make it really hydrophobic. This stuff is the best. Literally spray on and then wipe off. If you're doing stuff where you're going to Canadian Tire auto stores and you're just getting some spray wax, this is way better, way better. Use it on glass, use it on paint. Use it as a drying aid after you're done washing your car. Thing works amazing. It's probably the best product I've ever used for just like a quick detail spray. Hit the wipers too. That's the play. That's what I was told. So if you know, you know. Locally in Saskatoon. Great stuff. So if you hit the wipers with this stuff, it'll be less jumpy and be a lot smoother of the sweep when you're doing it. Look at me spoiling this guy. Do side glass and everything. Alex, you're lucky that I actually like you, bud. The windows are gonna be forever clean all winter. So we threw a new bedside on this. I'm just trying to match that bed line or texture that somebody put on. This isn't quite Line-X, what they have on here. As you can see, that ain't Line-X quality. But I just used the Shake and Shoot by Dominion Sure Seal, trying to match up exactly where it is. Like I said, new bedside, make the new look like the old. And I think we nailed it on this one. Really happy. I really like the texture. It matches that a lot closer. If this is actually Line-X, I don't know if I would be super happy with that. I'd almost come in after half an hour after I'm done spraying and just lightly dust it on to make it stand up more and be more coarse. But for what I'm trying to do here, we're happy. Because we sprayed this a few days ago and we have a radiant heater running down the middle of the shop. So we decided to stick that bedside underneath the heater. And then we open up the top here with some 80 grit, then overnight put it underneath the heater so that really off gases. And obviously I didn't have any issues because that plastic, if you put plastic on fresh paint when it's still off gassing, the plastic will actually get stuck to the fresh paint. But I guess that works. It's the Mennonite Bake Cycle, but winter edition.